Hi, I'm Eric. Today we're going to learn how to use Invision to create a simple chat app's prototype. To create a prototype in Invision, just click on the plus button and choose Prototypes. On this page, we're going to name our project and choose our device interface. Now let's go to Browse your file and get the pre-designed screen. Now we have imported all our pre-designed screen in Invisions. Just click on one of the screen here. This will bring us into the console. There is 4 viewing modes in this screen: Play, Build, Comment, and Inspections. In Play modes, you can use the arrow key on the keyboards to navigate through the screen. Next, we're going to rename our screen. To do this, just type on the title text field. Log in for the first page, Home, and the last one, Menu. As for now, in design process, we have just completed the user experience path.